Taylor Swift has many exes. She looks like a gold digger.
Kanye West is not slaying at all. He flopped from the moment he was born.
Taylor Swift is just a massive failure. She just makes the songs about her exes.
Kanye West is such a basic person, like a basic, plain, junk food. Yaksa!
Taylor Swift is a massive bitch with a net worth of 1,000 exes.
Kanye West is a big KSP, kulangot sa pader.
Taylor is not very demure and very mindful. She's a witch.
She's a flop and a bop!
He's a crybaby. She's a trash.
He's a mother.
What? Is it in the script?
That's not on the script, Hisan! Go out!
Uy, hi, Tahani! Hi, ka! Oh my God, ang ganda ng suot mo today, ah.
Thank you.
It's giving Gigi Hadid vibe.
Ay, grabe ka. Saan ka pupunta?
Oh, just there. Sunduin ko lang yung aking sweet honey punch. May date kasi kami today.
Uy, sana all. Sige, una na ako ha. Sundin pa ako ni Mama.
Yes, bye! Ay, hi, Batua!
Hi, Paika!
Nag-glow up ka lagi. Nag-YouTube ka ba?
Wala, hindi ako. Simple lang to.
We, ako kasi 10 times na akong nag-YouTube eh. Sige, bye ha. Sundin niyo pa kasi yung honey love ko.
Allah.
Mysteries, kind of unmatched. Asian Calvinism, we made it out of that.
Maganda na yan. Oh my God. Mas maganda pa ako dyan.
Hope he doesn't strike me down. The Goo Goo Dolls are dead to me, the way you should be too. But you bring them up, along with how much I fucking miss you. Maybe I'm just not better than this, I haven't tried. Maybe life's less romantic when I'm in the dark. You think I'd be a fast one? I guess I won't ever mind crisping up on your back.
You know what? It's fine. Like, it's normal.
No, yeah.
It's normal lang. It's normal lang. No, it's fine now.
If you want it sweet, sugar on lock. If you want it spice, can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top.
Miss Dimakuta, what is this?
Honey, you're a freak, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as a candy. Baby, I'm the king, better know what
I instructed you to send a video presentation and this is what you have sent. I am giving you a 0 and I'm calling your parents for this unacceptable action. Don't blame me.
Guys, may chika ba kayo dyan? Bored na ako.
Yeah, for real? Anong latest mo, Mars?
I really need some fresh chika. Matagal-tagal na akong di nakakarinig ng chika. I think magkakasakit na yata ako.
OMG, may chika ko guys. Fresh from the farm.
Guys, ako may chika! Fresh from the farm! Di ba si Sasa at Bogart mag-jowa? Yes! Nakahuli si Bogart. May katsa! Grade 1! Tsaka di ba si Carlo? Naka-iPhone siya, di ba? Yes! Ano? Ano si Carlo? Oh my God, bilisan mo mag-reply. O, di ba si Ashley? Oo. Nag-post ng story niya. Oo. Di ba naka-android lang yun? Oo. Oh my God. Napaka-clear edge. Ay! Android user yun. Hi, love. O, tapos si Piyang. Yes, yes, wala ako. Ang tagal-tagal mo mag-reply. Nakakainis ko na.
Grabe na. Pinainis na kami.
Nakita siya ni ano? Fight ka!
Ano na ba yan?
O tapos ano, di ba si Piyang?
Oo.
Kanina pa
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Nag-chat ka pa ako nung hindi ka naman nag-reply.
Paulit-ulit yan.
Grabe. Share ko nga to. Slayed in 8. Ano kaya to?
Why are you crying? May nag-share kasi sa photos ko at ang sabi niya gusto niya akong patayin at kainin.
Oh my gosh, tingnan naman to. I-share post na Imran yung post ni Jimakuta na sabi niya, kung gusto niya siyang patayin at saka kainin. My God. Okay lang ba siya?
Bro, baka nagkamali.
Ano, paano mo nasabi?
Maybe he meant ano?
Dapat nag-i-post kung hindi na
She
sinasadya.
ate and slayed.
Kaya nga hindi niya yung masasabi kung basta-basta.
Ang word na naive na may dalawang tuldok sa letter na I. Ang tawag dito ay diaeresis.
What's up guys? So, when nag-scroll ako sa TikTok, may nakita akong video. So yung babae, naharas daw siya. Eh sa tingin ko lang, kasalanan niya yun. Ba't kasi siya nagsusuot ng ng manipis na damit? Revealing tuloy, ayan. Feeling ko lang, kaya kayo nahaharas dahil sa inyo. Masyado nyo kaming sinisisi.
Gago! Wala yan sa damit ang babae. Kung bastos ang lalaki, bastos. Mga mindset lang mo.
Ha? Kahit naka-jogging pants pa yan paglabas niya, kung manyak yung dadaan, mamamanyak at mamamanyak pa rin yan.
He has point naman. Bakit hindi kayo magsuot ng decent? Meron naman kayong mga options, di ba?
I wouldn't understand because lalaki ka. Ew! Ganyan pala yung mindset mo. Nakakainis ah.
Ha, mga lalaki nga naman, lalaki moments.
What's up guys? So, sincerely apologize from the recent video I made about mga babae nakaharas. I didn't mean to say all those. I didn't mean no harm sa babae na yung sa video. At that time kasi hindi yung nag-isip. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na mali yung ginawa ko. From now on, I will not try to say anything if I did not know about that topic. So that's all.
Guys, may sasabihin sana ako.
Ano yun?
Ito kasi yun. Nag-login kasi kanina sa phone ko si Tani. Tapos nakalimutan niyang i-log out yung account niya. Huwag yung sabihin sa kanya.
Go, go, go! Dali, sabihin mo na.
Tapos yun, binuksan ko ngayon yung chat nila ng best friend niya.
Ayos, In. Anong nabasa mo?
Ito kasi yun.
Asli, huwag mong sabihin kung ano man nabasa mo.
Ha? What's wrong pala? Tayo lang naman nakakaalam.
Kahit na, private convo nila yun, isa pang hindi na ka naman nag-ask ng permission sa kanya kung pwede buksan convo nila.
Oh, okay. Sorry, ilalagag ka na. Hindi na maulit pa.
Kasama naman ang legit. Invite me.
Sino yung sumali sa live? Block na ito.